In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze and unfreeze your Lloyds card in the mobile app. Keeping your money safe starts with knowing exactly how to pause your card when you need to and turn it back on when you're ready. Whether you've misplaced your card for a moment or just want extra peace of mind, this quick walkthrough will show you the simplest way to stay in control right from your phone without calling support or visiting a branch. First, open the Lloyds mobile app and head to the cards section. This is the central place where you can view and manage all your cards in one spot. Once you're in, you'll see the cards linked to your account. If you have more than one, take a moment to choose the one you want to manage. It helps to double check the last 4 digits or the card nickname so you're adjusting the right card. After selecting your card, tap Card Freezes and Limits. This is your control panel for security and spending settings. Think of it as a quick on-off switch for card activity, along with options that help you fine-tune how your card can be used. Even if you don't change anything else, it's useful to know where this menu lives so you can get to it fast whenever you need it. To freeze your card, simply turn on the full freeze option. As soon as you switch it on, payments and cash machine withdrawals are stopped immediately. This is ideal if your card is lost, you've left it somewhere, or you want to block transactions while you sort something out. Full freeze doesn't close your account or cancel your card number. It just pauses card activity, which you can reverse in seconds. It's a straightforward way to protect your money while you regain control. When you're ready to use your card again, return to the same card freezes and limits menu and switch full freeze off. Your card becomes active again right away, so you can tap, swipe, or withdraw cash as normal. If a payment was declined while the card was frozen, simply try it again after you unfreeze. Giving the app a quick moment to refresh before you retry can help ensure everything is back to normal. And that's it. You've just learned a fast, reliable way to keep your card secure and take charge of when it can be used. By knowing how to freeze and unfreeze your card in the Lloyds app, you're equipped with a simple safety net you can turn on and off anytime from anywhere.